Yo, what is going on, guys? dmikeyy here, back with another video. In today's video, we got something much different than anything I've ever done in the past. I'm going to be unboxing my brand new iPhone 16 Pro. I'm really excited for this. I pre-ordered it and it just came in, so let's get right into the unboxing. So right away, you guys can see that I purchased the black titanium variant. We got that sleek and minimalistic Apple packaging, just like always. We got the iPhone on the side, we got the Apple logo on the front, and right there you can see iPhone 16 Pro black titanium, 128 gigabytes. So we're gonna pull these tabs back. Be quiet so you guys can hear it. There's one. Let's see if I can get this one. There's two, and right away, you guys can lift the lid off. And here is the brand new iPhone 16 Pro in black titanium. All right, so let's get this iPhone out of the box. You can pull this tab up, and here is the iPhone 16 Pro black titanium variant. Absolutely super clean. Super elite looking. I'm gonna set this aside. Let's see what else we have in the box. So here's the charging cable, obviously. USB-C to USB-C. It's actually a different material than previous chargers. It's actually a braided material, much more elite. Absolutely amazing. Here we have some, looks like paperwork. So in this, there's no more SIM card, so there's an eSIM. So instead of having that physical SIM card, they replaced it with an electronic SIM, meaning that they had more space to put new technology in the iPhone, which is really nice. Here is just the rest of the box and a recycle logo. Let's go back to the iPhone itself. So here you guys can see we have the notification and action button. We have volume up, volume down. We have the power button, and we have the brand new camera control button. So yeah, here it is. Everyone pay attention. You gotta listen to that amazing sound. Absolutely amazing. So right away, this iPhone has the A18 Pro chip. It's absolutely amazing. It has the brand new camera system. It also is packed with a lot of new features like Apple Intelligence. And yeah, let's power it on. Here we go. There's that classic Apple logo. Wow. Right away, it feels very light, very elite in the hands. And here is the hello symbol on the iPhone itself. Absolutely amazing display, very good colors. It has the brand new screen with 120 hertz refresh rate. A lot of very good new features coming to the iPhone 16 Pro. I'm really excited to use this. I think the color looks absolutely amazing. I might have a future video to compare it to the white titanium as well as the desert titanium. And yeah, there it is. All right, so that's gonna wrap up the unboxing of my brand new iPhone 16 Pro. Overall, I'm super impressed with the design and all the new features on this phone. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of the new iPhone and if you are planning on getting one. Also, let me know what you are upgrading from. I'm actually shooting this video on my iPhone 12 Pro. So I'm going from a 12 Pro to a 16 Pro. So it's a big upgrade. I'm really excited to do it. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I typically make video game content and stuff like that, but you know, if the unboxing video does well, I'm definitely gonna do more in the future. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate all the support, and I will see you guys in the next stream or video. Thanks.
Yeah.